Vanita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Vanita and today I will show you how to make liquid dough aloo paratha or potato roti. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 cup of wheat flour, or you can use plain flour, 1.5 cups of water, 1 medium-sized potato which I have boiled until tender, 1 tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, an extra quarter cup of oil, or you can use ghee for cooking the rotis. You will also need a grater with small holes and a whisk. The first thing you need to do is grate the potato and put it aside. Take your flour, add salt, turmeric, chili flakes, cumin powder, coriander powder, garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and give it a quick mix. Add water little by little and mix it into a lump-free batter. Add grated potato and mix it well to combine. To make the roti, place a tawa or a non-stick fry pan on medium heat and heat it until it gets hot. Lower the heat, and to drop the temperature of the pan, sprinkle some water on the pan and wipe it with a tea towel. Pour about half cup of liquid dough, turn the pan around to flatten it slightly, increase the heat to medium and cook it until the top is dry. Flip it over, drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil on the top and around the roti. Use a spatula to move the roti around so that the bottom of the roti gets coated with the oil, and cook it for 20 seconds. Turn it over and start pressing the top of the roti lightly so it can cook evenly. Keep flipping the rotis and pressing lightly on the top until the roti is cooked and has a golden brown color. Not all the rotis will puff up, but it will still taste yummy. Take it out on a plate and repeat this process. My liquid dough aloo paratha is ready, and you can serve it with some pickle and any curry of your choice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.